Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean your machine once you've taken it out of storage if you haven't used it in a while. So first things first, we're going to make sure you've got nice fresh water at the back here and also clean it out. So lift up the back here, bring it over to the sink, give this all a nice good clean out the bottom of it here, and then put fresh drinking water in. When you place it back in, make sure it's fully seated all the way down. This is going to lie nice and flat here. As well, with this front little drip tray, take that out, give it a nice good clean in the sink, make sure there's no stale water or anything there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in and we're going to turn it on. We're now going to take out the little tool at the side here. We're going to use this to rinse it through. There's a little barcode here. And then we're going to come back to the machine here and we're just going to lift this up. And you want to make sure it's nice and clean in here. If it's not clean, then you can get a little Q-tip or a little cloth and you can just clean up this barcode reader here. You might feel safer doing this when the machine is off. Now, if your machine is very dirty all the way around here, there is further cleaning you can do. You can take out this, you can take out this down here. This video is purely how to use it when you've taken it out of storage. We have done another video on how to clean it thoroughly. You can always watch that if your one is very dirty. Make sure that that is nice and clean, otherwise it won't be able to read any barcodes. And now we're going to place in this little disc here. We're placing it with the barcode down and make sure it's fully flat. If it's slightly off, it won't sit flat, so make sure it's sat nice and flat. And we're going to close that. And we're going to put a cup underneath here. Make sure you use quite a large glass or cup because quite a bit of water is going to come out. And now we're just going to turn it on and it's going to rinse through water. So if there's any old water left in here, it's now rinsing through with the fresh water from the back. Just going to fast forward through this. It's going to take about 45 seconds. So there we go, that's now rinsed through. Now, if it's been in storage for a long time, then personally I would rinse it through again twice. So I know that this is going to just about take another rinse through, so I'm going to press it again. And then it's going to come through one more time. There we go, so that's had 2 rinses, so this water here can be discarded. You can fill up fresh water in the back again. Wait until that goes to solid, otherwise you might burn yourself, so wait until that goes to solid. There we go, solid, so lift it up, take the disc out. I'm going to put that away safely back here again, in the side. And that is it. Hopefully now your machine should be ready to make nice fresh coffee again. Thank you so much for watching.